I am Assistant Professor Kutte Akshada from SND Engineering and Research Center, Evla. Welcome all of you to online lecture series. Subject is Engineering Chemistry. Today's topic is UV visible spectroscopy, that is ultraviolet spectroscopy. Spectroscopy. It is the branch of science that deals with the study of interaction of matter with light, or it is the branch of science that deals with the study of interaction of electromagnetic radiation with matter, that is called spectroscopy. The research in the fields of chemistry, chemical and pharmaceutical industries, metals and alloys, biology, environmental science, etc. need accurate determination of a compound purity even if it is in trace amounts. The quality control departments of industries requires the raw materials, finished products of very high purity which cannot be estimated by the conventional methods. Various analytical instruments and techniques of analysis for the analysis at ppm, ppb level are UV visible spectrophotometry, IR spectrophotometry, atomic absorption spectrophotometry, chromatography, nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy, X-ray spectroscopy, many electrochemical techniques, and mass spectroscopy. All of these methods are certain electromagnetic radiation, and the analysis is based on the principle of selective absorption from the electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation consists of discrete packages of energy which are called as photons. A photon consists of an oscillating electric field and oscillating magnetic field which are perpendicular to each other. Many of these techniques require a small time to get the results. Thus, the instrumental analysis techniques are useful for both qualitative and quantitative analysis accurately. These are the magnetic fields. Some spectroscopic methods have a few limitations. Extremely pure sample required. Instruments are quite costly. Highly skilled technicians are required to work on the instruments. Electromagnetic radiation frequency. It is defined as the number of times electrical field radiation oscillates in 1 second. The unit of frequency is Hertz. 1 Hertz is equal to 1 cycle per second. Wavelength. It is the distance between the two nearest parts of the wave in the same phase. Electromagnetic radiations, wavelength and amplitude. The relation between wavelength and frequency can be written as C is equal to V lambda. As photon is subjected to energy, so EHV is equal to HC divided by lambda. These are the electromagnetic spectrum. Wavelength, frequency and energy are described. These are the prism. In prism passes through a white light. Disperse 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. These are the ranges. Principles of spectroscopy. The principle is based on the measurement of spectrum of a sample containing atoms, molecules. Spectrum is a graph of intensity of absorbed or emitted radiation by sample versus frequency or wavelength. Spectrometer is an instrument designed to measure the spectrum of compound. Absorption spectroscopy, an analytical technique which concerns with the measurement of absorption of electromagnetic radiations. UV 185 to 400 nanometer, visible 400 to 800 nanometer. Spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy 0.76 to 15 micrometer. Emission spectroscopy, an analytical technique in which emission is dispersed according to some property of the emission and amount of dispersion is measured. Example, mass spectroscopy. Interaction of electromagnetic radiation with matter. And electronic energy level. At room temperature, the molecules are in the lowest energy levels, E0. When the molecules absorb UV visible light from EMR, one of the outermost bond, lone pair electron is promoted to higher energy state, such as E1, E2, end of En, infinite, etc. It's called as electronic transition, and the difference is as delta E is equal to h mu is equal to n En minus E0, where n is equal to 1 to 3, etc. Delta E is equal to 35 to 70 kilocalorie per mole. Interaction of EMR with matter. Vibrational energy levels. These are less energy level than electronic energy levels. The spacing between energy levels are relatively small, that is 0.01 to 10 kilocalorie per mole. Rotational energy levels. These energy levels are quantities and discrete. The spacing between energy levels are even smaller than vibrational energy levels. Delta E rotational greater than delta E vibrational greater than delta E electronic. These are all about spectroscopy and electromagnetic radiation. Thank you.